Don't these colors look beautiful? Wow, everything goes in the grinder now. Mint leaves, carrots, and beetroot. I have taken one each. It's a refreshing drink. Well, make sure that you get rid of the pesticides. I do it by soaking it in vinegar water and then washing it off clean. And sometimes I do use baking soda as well to get rid of the pesticides. Since this juice is going to be for one person, I've taken just one carrot and one beetroot. But that's more than enough. If there are gonna be more people, you might have to increase the quantity likewise. There are n number of benefits beetroot provides. Like one of the things that I know is it increases the HP drastically. And carrots are rich source of vitamin E. And mint has quite a few benefits as well. So I'm going to grind all of these now. I'm gonna add a little water. You can add chilled water as well. Once we add the water, we are going to grind it. Look at that juice. Highly nutritious, and we're going to have it. I have it every morning. You tell me when would you like to have it. Thanks for watching, guys.